Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI is a hypothetical type of AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. It is kind of like the human substitute, but in a body that is made up of iron and steel and wires and hardware thing. This includes tasks like reasoning, planning, learning, and creativity. Now, folks, I want to put some influence on learning because the reason why human beings are better than any other animals on the planet is because of learning. But if an AI starts learning and it's connected to the internet, which Google Bard has done, and we are going to talk about that later, it can actually cause a lot of havoc if not controlled and used properly. We're going to talk about that later in this course. Artificial General Intelligence or AGI is still in its early stages of development because folks, as I've said, it takes a lot of money, a lot of resources, a lot of time, a lot of space to create these things. I don't know if you know this, but the AI bot, Chatgpt by OpenAI, which was funded by, some of it was funded by Mr. Musk and majority of it was funded by Microsoft. It took $22 billion to make that thing work. $22 billion. $22 billion. You know what? The market cap of Twitter, after doing so much of work, or after having so many people, was $44 billion. 44 after being in this on this world for 10 years, more than 10 years, and having 200 million users, daily active users, it had a market cap of $44 billion. But this tool, without earning a single dollar, it costed around 22 or maybe $29 billion, something of that, or that in that range. That is monumental amount. Because Microsoft has so much of free cash and so much of resources, it did, and it worked out well, and it's a fantastic invention. And kudos to Microsoft and OpenAI. So these AGIs take a lot of resources and would be developed by human beings. I am very much optimistic about that. Thank you.